Alright, dear master teachers, we are now in our last objective na ipapakita, ang objective number 14 sa ating non-classroom observation indicator. So, napansin niyo po halos 10 lahat. Ang dami po, no? So, I hope nasundan niyo po ito. Napanood niyo na yung mga naunang video para mas lalo po ninyong maintindihan. So, buksan na po natin ang ating objective number 14 para po makita na po ninyo ang laman. So, ang way ko po sa pag-present nito is nilagay ko lang yung hinahanap na objective, yung objective name and then yung MOVs na hinihingi. Yan po. So, isa lang naman po kasi yung hinihingi dito, but nag-provide tayo ng more than one for your samples. So, yan po siya. So, objective 14, ang hinihingi po dito is identify and utilize personal professional strengths to uphold the dignity of teaching as a profession to help build a positive teaching and learning culture within the school. So dito po medyo marami tayong iisip. Ang pinaka bottom line lang naman dito is meron tayong mga ginawa upholding the dignity of teaching profession. So ako po, ang ginawa ko dito is yung mga nagpa nating, for example, sa buong taon nitong 2024 to 2025, ano ba yung mga ginawa natin that help the community, the school? Kasi in that way, that is another way of upholding dignity, kasi natutulungan natin yung community stakeholders and then yung ating school. And then kung nagpakita din tayo ng mga magagandang performances, of course, that is another way of showing positive trait that upholds dignity as teachers. So ako dito, reflection journal ang nilagay ko. As a master teacher, gumawa ko ng reflection journal or journal, and then yung mga certifications na binigay sa akin, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi pwede naman kasi is document from our superiors or colleagues, feedbacks that shows our practices, good practices, then recognitions from school or community. So yan lang po, pasok na po yun. Ito po, mauna yung recognitions or documents received, highlighting the given objective from the community. So ito po ay binigay sa atin ng ating barangay chairman. So kasi marami tayo kasing na-implement na mga program sa community. Clean up drive, tree planting, livelihood trainings, at kung ano pa po. So kayo po, I'm sure meron din po kayong ginawa, yung mga community outreach programs. So in that way po, magkakaroon tayo ng good records and positive performances sa ating community. So pwede po tayo humingi ng certification, or usually may binibigay sa atin na commendation certification ng ating barangay chairman. Ayan po, sample yan. Then ito naman po from the SPTA president. So kasi marami po tayong mga nagawa din sa school natin, and then partner natin yung ating SPTA organization. So ito po yung certification yan. And then kung nanood po kayo sa ating mga naipakita mga MOVs, lagi ko pong partner yung SPTA. So yan po, certification. And then isa pa po is yung reflection journal ko na ginawa. Kasi for this school year, humbly speaking, nagkaroon tayo ng award as the most outstanding teacher sa aming division. So nabanggit ito, na-comment tayo during one of the faculty meetings, na-comment tayo ng ating school principal. Ayan, highlighted ko po dyan. And then kung ano yung mga ginawa ko for the school year, yung mga mentoring sessions, ito pala yung sa reflection ko. Ito naman po yung minutes of meeting ko sa faculty. So yung aming faculty secretary, napakasipag, special mention. So ayan po siya, nakalagay po dyan na kinoment tayo ng ating principal. And then is on our performance, yan, encourage niya, and then sinabi niya na my performance, hoping that it inspired my colleagues. And I will tell you po, yes, they were inspired, and sila din po ay mas lalo pang nagsumikap. And that way po, that shows that we are commended by our superiors. So kayo po, I know you have your own, but then if you want this, pwede rin, you can take pictures. So yan po yung laman ng ating objective 14. I hope nakatulong